Hey guys, I am Dr. Stephanie. I am a clinical sexologist and licensed professional counselor. And one of the questions I get is about STDs. Shameless Care, their owners are in the lifestyle and they understand the lifestyle care and needs for us as individuals. And we know that going to your doctor every 3 months can be a little bit embarrassing, or you can be sure because they don't understand the lifestyle if they're not part of it. But this company is. And so what they sent me in the mail is an easy 3-step STD test. I want to show you how easy this test is. I'm going to take it right here in front of you guys. I haven't even opened the box. So we're going to open it and see the contents of the box. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. This first part is the oral part. So the kit includes an oral collection tube, my oral buccal, and my bag that I'm gonna send it back in. Okay, step 1. I'm gonna open the oral buccal, the little throat swabber thingy. Then I'm gonna insert this in my mouth and rub the swab tip against the back of my throat for 10 seconds. That I am going to do is the blood test. Now, some people feel that this is the worst part, and I understand it's probably not the easiest, but let's be honest, it's a finger prick, guys. And so I'm going to do it here and show you how easy it is. Now I have a little prick in my finger. I really don't have much blood coming out of my finger. That was painless, absolutely painless. I'm going to allow this to set, it says, for 30 minutes. I'm going to go and take my urine sample. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back and I have collected my urine sample, and I have this sterile little pipette that I'm going to, not going to show you my pee. There is a urine fill line, so I'm going to take my pipette. I'm going to pipe the urine in here to my filled lines. There's already liquid in there, and it says that do not go over the fill lines. So I have done the finger prick, I have done the throat swab, and I have done the urine sample. And so what I'm going to do is write all the information on all of my stuff, package it up, and I'm going to send it in a prepaid envelope to the company and await my results. If you are going on a lifestyle cruise, or you're going on a lifestyle event, or just a play date, you need to take these 1 to 2 weeks before your play date to ensure your safety, and then again, possibly a few weeks after your play date to ensure that you still have a clean sexual bill of health. So let's keep our community sexy, healthy, and horny, and keep on having the great sex you deserve.